Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how we can do a Windows Autopilot and what are the prerequisites to make a Windows machine as a autopilot. So first thing is required deployment profile that needs to be configured, and we need to add that deployment profile to that device. And what is this deployment profile? Okay, so think like that. A deployment profile is the set of rules that define how your device should be set up when as a first time enrolling through the Windows Autopilot. Okay, it just skip the unnecessary setup screens during the Windows Autobox experience, and it also joins Windows device to Azure AD. Okay, so that level of functionality deployment profile can do. Also, we can define whether this is going to be for uh, end user user defined, I mean end user mode or self deploying mode. Okay, so in short, deployment profile makes sure that device is set up exactly how your organization's need is. Okay, without manual IT efforts, you can directly send that device to end user, and end user just need to punch their username and password. That's it. In that, there is one more a policy ESP enrollment status page that you need to configure. Okay, so this page is basically take care of what um, what user can see during that setup, and I mean the status of enrollment policies and apps installation. Those things can be visible on ESP page. You can also add required application mandatory applications to ESP page and install that application during the um, um, during the setup. Okay, so user can directly sign in and use that application predefined. But if you assign application as a required, that application will take some time to load on device one after user enroll. But this ESP page applications will enroll applications before user sign in, I mean get into the desktop. So this is all about the prerequisites. After that, we can uh, automatic enrollment that we need to set up to all or provide a group of users who is going to part of that automatic enrollment. And also we need to onboard a device into Intune. Let's go to our Intune portal, navigate to devices, go to Windows, click on enrollment. Under enrollment, you will see multiple options, but straight go down to Windows Autopilot, where you configured everything about your um, autopilot enrollment. Okay, first let's configure deployment profile. Click on deployment profile, create profile, Windows PC or HoloLens. We do not have any such device, so I will go ahead with Windows PC. I will give any name, test deployment. I will keep convert all targeted devices to no, because converting devices will take up to 48 hours. Okay, now deployment mode, I will keep user driven, because this is going to be a user isn't going to enroll and there is no kiosk device deployed with self deployment. I would like to join my device into Entra ID, that is Azure AD. I would like to hide all terms and conditions of Microsoft Windows. Okay, privacy setting, I would like to hide it. Hide change account option, yes, I would like to hide that. User account type, I will keep standard. Allow pre-provisioned deployment. Okay, I will keep it no, because it will require 5 times. You need to press 5 time key, Windows key to do the pre-provisioning. I will like to just go ahead with this. Next option, language. We will select India English if available. China, okay, English India. Okay. Apply device name template. Yes, I would like to apply a name template. Okay, I will just India hyphen serial number serial, okay, percentile. So what will this do? It will apply IND to all machines and it will capture the serial number of the device. Okay, that's it, my friends. In deployment profile, there is nothing to do with this. We just need to create basic rules, how we can define the, how the end user experience and how we can minimize the uh, uh, options of Microsoft Windows terms and condition, all these things, we can hide it. Okay, click next. We need to assign this policy to our uh, basically we assign this to our ZTID groups, like the devices which are onboarded to under devices category, autopilot devices. We will assign that. I have created one group. How to create a group? I will create a new video on that. Just created one autopilot device. It's a dynamic group which I have um, added a ZTID rule. Okay, I will just hit next, create. That's it. The profile will get created here shortly. Meanwhile, let me configure enrollment status page. There is a predefined enrollment status page already there. We can just click on all users and devices, go to properties. Okay. Under here, go to settings. If you uncheck the show app and configuration profile configuration progress, if you know there is no options will be there. If you click yes, the status will be shown. Okay, the user can see the status. How long you want to wait, to get if any error message comes, how long you can wait. I mean, longer than a specific number. If that time is crossing, then it will fail. Okay, I will just keep it 120 minutes. Okay, for safer side. Show custom message when okay, I will just keep the default one. Turn on logs, yes. Only show page to device provisioned by out of box. Okay, I will keep that, yes. Everything I will leave default. Okay, and block device use until required apps. See, if you want to add some default applications, so you can go ahead and add your company's default application. I will select one application. Slack is one application we use, so I will add that. Click yes, save. That's it. Now I have onboarded one machine. I mean, we have added one machine to our autopilot devices. Okay, and I just done a reset of that machine and it's still in the process. Okay, I will resume the record.